Today we're gonna make Kokkinisto, chicken in red sauce. So the dreaded question in every household is what to make for dinner. And I don't know about you guys, but my kids are pretty picky. I mean, there's some things that they'll really like to eat, but this recipe they all love. So it's a go-to for us. So we're gonna use about 4 pounds of chicken. I'm using chicken legs and thighs. You can use a whole chicken, you can just use legs, whatever you like to use, you can do that for this recipe. So I have our chicken ready here, and it's pretty simple with our ingredients. I have 1 medium-sized chopped onion, I have cinnamon, tomato paste, olive oil, salt, pepper, and some flour to cook up our chicken. So I've recently started working with this great company, 776 Deluxe, and I love all their products. So today we're gonna use some egg pasta fettuccine. I'm gonna cook that with our chicken because we're gonna make this red sauce. Our Kokkinisto is basically chicken and red sauce. So the red sauce, you need something to soak it up with. You could use rice or a pasta, and I'm using this delicious pasta today. I'm gonna link below where you can purchase this pasta so you guys can use this at home. So to get started, we have our chicken, and we are going to season our chicken with salt and pepper. So we'll put the salt and pepper on both sides of our chicken. And this is fairly easy to prepare, and it has about a 40-minute cooking time. So you could prepare this, maybe as soon as you get home from work, and while you're getting all your errands and all your other things ready, dinner could be cooking. So I've seasoned our chicken. Now we're gonna go to the stove with our flour and the rest of our ingredients, and we're gonna cook this up. So in a pot, I'm gonna heat up about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. While that's heating up, I have all-purpose flour. I'm gonna take our chicken and I'm gonna coat the chicken with the flour, shake off the excess. And we're gonna get our chicken ready in the flour so that we can brown this in our oil. So this is the golden brown color that you need. We're gonna take these out. And we're going to brown the rest of our chicken. We've browned our chicken, take this out. And I have 1 medium onion chopped up. You can use red, white onion, whatever you have. And we're gonna saute the onion until translucent. After we cook up our onions, we're gonna take 1 jar of tomato paste. So I'm using a 6-ounce jar of tomato paste, putting that right in there, and I'm gonna mix this with our onions. So after we have combined our tomato paste and our onion, we're gonna add our chicken back to our pot. Once we've added that back, we're gonna add some hot water, and we wanna cover it about 3/4 of the way. We don't wanna cover the chicken completely because we want our sauce to be nice and thick. So once I've added that in, I'm gonna take my spoon and just again stir that because we wanna get the onion and the tomato paste. I'm just stirring that quickly. Next, we're gonna add a cinnamon stick to our sauce, and we're gonna add a tablespoon of salt. We have this all cooking up. Now I'm going to cover this and bring it up to high heat because I want to bring that to a boil, and then we'll lower that and cook it for about 40 minutes. We have our chicken ready and our fettuccine egg noodles from 776. I'm going to grab some of these noodles. We're gonna plate our chicken. Sauce on top. We're gonna top this with some grated cheese and dinner is ready. For the full recipe, visit nikkigluckus.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.